Hello everybody, my name is Gianni and today I'm going to show you how to automatically add subtitles in DaVinci Resolve Studio. So let's jump straight into the edit page and do that. Right here I have 3 clips and I'm talking a lot in these clips and I'd love to add subtitles. So in order to do that, let's set the in point with the shortcut I and let's set the out point with the shortcut O. Then let's click timeline, create subtitles from audio, and then we will see this window that basically allows us to set the language. In this case, English is fine, and the style of our subtitles. We can use teletext, Netflix, or just default. I'll start with the Netflix. We can specify the maximum number of characters per line. 42 is usually a good number. If we want single line or double line, and then of course the gap between subtitles. You can say, for example, you want to have a big space, or you can just have like one subtitle after the next one. So let's create our subtitles. Now, if you have a long video, this might take a very long time, but in my case, these are very short videos, so it just took a few seconds. And right here we have our subtitles, as you can see right there. So what happens if I want to customize these subtitles? Well, just select them all, click Inspector, click Track, and right here you can specify the font. For example, we can go for impact. You can set the color, let's say yellow, and then of course the size, as well as other settings like for example the stroke. So for example, if we do this, that's a very common style in social media, and by doing so with all the subtitles selected, we basically change the style for all the subtitles. That's very convenient. Another thing that you might want to do is you might want to customize the text. Sometimes there are things that maybe you want to leave out from the subtitles, or there are names that are misspelled. Well, in that case, just click caption, and right here you can go ahead and just change the text. So like for example, you can say that you want the photography word on the previous subtitles, so simply remove that, go there, and there you have it. So that's how you customize the subtitles. And this is how you automatically add subtitles in DaVinci Resolve. For more tutorials, make sure to subscribe. See you in the next video.